What's up, guys? So, today it's raining, and today we have a pretty cool setup for you. Out in the rain, we're just gonna race random cars today, and let's cut to that right now. Okay, guys, so I'll have the GoPro out there on rain cam, so that we can catch all the rainy action. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, so now it's about 5 minutes later from when I filmed the intro, and it's stopped raining a little bit. It's still raining a little bit, but slowed down a bit. But the good news is the track's wet, so that's gonna be fun because we have, first up, custom 2018 Mustang GT Golf variation. Here it is. Versus BMW M3 GT2. If it's gonna focus, forward focus, maybe it doesn't want to focus. So here we go. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hose is out. I put a little bit of hose water down, but here we go. I'll go get the GoPro filming. Here we go. First race, BMW versus the Ford. In 3, 2, 1, go! Ford Mustang from 2018 gets the win. So Ford Mustang moves on. Okay guys, so next up we have the LK's Porsche Panamera, the SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. It's a real mouthful to say. Here's the look at the base. Just if it focuses, you can see the exact name. M13 base code. Maybe that's unlucky for it. We'll see. And it's going up against the McLaren F1 GTR. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. McLaren versus a Porsche. In 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Great racing! I think the Porsche takes it though. Okay guys, so here we go. Next up, got Datsun 240Z. Here it is, beautiful casting. Came from the mystery model set, just like the BMW. It's going up against 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Saw this one in the K-Case video, won't show it in too much detail. Circle on the side for some reason, no idea why that's there. Anyways, here we go. Okay, here we go. In a 3, in a 2, in a 1, and go. Okay, that was the Mazda Miata taking the win. Okay guys, so far today, I think it's been quite a bad day for the special sets. It's been quite a bad day for the special sets. Quite a good day for the main lines. Main lines are going to get a fourth one in here, guaranteed, because we have the almighty McLaren Senna. And the reason why I say that is because it is going up against the yellow Volkswagen Golf GTI. We have it here in yellow with Momo on the side. This should be good. Okay, here we go. Final race of round 1 before the semifinals. In a 3, in a 2, in a 1, go. Volkswagen Golf GTI taking the win as the McLaren comes off the track. Okay guys, so here's a look at the semifinals matchups. Semifinal number 2, gonna be the Miata and the Porsche. Semifinal number 1, gonna be Momo Volkswagen Golf GTI and the Custom 18 Mustang. Here we go, the semifinals. Okay, here we go. In 3, in 2, in 1, go. Redo. Okay, here we go. Take 3. Hopefully it works this time. In 3, in 2, in 1, go. Okay, here we go. In 3, in 2, in 1. Hopefully the cars work this time.
Denied.
That Mustang just got rejected, but Volkswagen takes it. Okay, here we go. We got Mazda Miata versus the Audi SE Sport Turismo. In 3, in 2, in 1. Go. And okay, it's gonna be the Miata. So Miata takes it. Okay, here we go. This should be amazing because we have 91 Mazda Miata going up against Volkswagen Golf GTI in the finals. Sorry about the bad lighting anyways. Here we go. In 3, in 2, in 1, go! Unimpressive. Okay guys, so that last one was a bit of a fail. Anyways, we have time for redemption. 91 Miata versus Volkswagen Golf GTI. The 2 slowest cars probably in real life in this group. Here they go. In 3, in 2, in 1, go! Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Peace.